Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Tomoya Oda. I have been working for EY for 10 years. Today, my presentation is about the misconception of the Japanese people about bananas. What image do you have for the Philippines?
Banana. Banana.
Yes, we do. I think that the name of the Philippines is associated with bananas. Today, I will share an interesting information about bananas. My contents are these. Number 1, history of bananas. Number 2, top exporter of bananas to Japan. Number 3, top producer of bananas in the world. Number 4, top exporter of bananas in the world. Number 5, price of bananas. And finally, my conclusion. First of all, I'd like to ask you 2 questions. First, do you know the origin of bananas? Next, what kind of route did the cultivation of bananas spread out by? Please take a look at this slide. The red color shows the expansion of bananas cultivation, while the yellow color shows top countries that export bananas to Japan in different time periods. The origin of banana is in Southeast Asia in 5000 BC, and it came to Africa in 2000 BC, and in 1500s AD it came to Central America. And in 1700s, it came to Taiwan. On the other hand, the order of top country which exports bananas to Japan is different. It is reversed. In 1903, we imported bananas from Taiwan. And in 1970, we imported them from Central America. And now we import them from the Philippines. It is very interesting, isn't it?
Yes.
Next, do you know that banana is the fruit that is imported most into Japan? This is a numerical statement of the amount of fruits imported into Japan. Banana is absolutely in first place. Next, do you know where Japan imports bananas most from? You have guessed right. The Philippines is the top country which exports bananas to Japan. And several times is far between second place, Ecuador. And then, do you know what's the top producer of bananas in the world? My next question is, do you know what country is the top exporter of bananas in the world? I had thought that the Philippines is the top country which produces bananas the most. But it's not true. It's India. And the Philippines, which I had told the top country is the third. We can understand the country having much population produces much amount of food. But as they are consumed in their own country, at the point of the export, India is not higher ranking country. the top exporting country all over the world is Ecuador. And the Philippines is the third. Aside from the amount, what about the price? Here is an amazing fact. To tell the truth, the price of banana in Japan is lower than that in the Philippines. The price of banana is 90 pesos per 1 kilogram, which is equivalent to 244 yen. On the other hand, the average price of banana in Japan is 211 yen. In the Philippines, we should pay much money than in Japan. When I know this, I was very surprised. I researched the reason and I found it. A fight for territory between China and the Philippines is related to this. China made limitations of import to banana from the Philippines. Therefore, the banana, which was a place to go, flows into Japan and pushes down the market price. So, it is my conclusion. According to data and information presented, Japanese are mistaken in thinking that the Philippines is the top exporter of bananas and that the price is lower than in the Philippines than in Japan. Thank you very much for paying kind attention to my presentation.